students, welcome once again to the Owl Academy of Education. In today's video, we are going to start here with ICSE Class 7 Math Chapter 7 Ratio and Proportion Exercise 7B. This part is part 2 of Exercise 7B. As you have done the earlier part in earlier video, part 1 in earlier video, right? Question number 1 to 5 you have already done. Now we are going to start here with question number 6. Question 6 is find the third proportional to, right? Number first is 36 and 12. Now we have for finding third proportional to, so here are only two terms, but we have to find the third proportional. For that, we will assume that let the third proportional to 36 and 12 is x, right? Now therefore we can write it as 36 ratio 12. These are first two terms. We have considered the third proportional. As I have already told you in the earlier video, to find out third proportional we have to assume it x, and these three terms, two common terms that which are written here as 12 will be treated as second. So our third proportional would be x, right? Now product of extremes 36 into 12 would be equal to product of 36 into x would be equal to product of means 12 into 12, right? Or we can write it as x is equal to 12 multiplied 12 upon 36. So we will cut down here 12 1 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36, 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. So our answer would be 4. Our third proportional would be 4, right students? So it is quite easy, you can do yourself. Now I am going to discuss here with you is part 4. Part second and third are easy, you can do your own. Okay, now I am going to solve here part 4 of it, that is 1 meter 60 centimeter and 40 centimeter. As I have told you earlier that for any ratio units should be same. So here in the first part they are given as in meter and centimeter, here is only centimeter, right? So we will change this into centimeters. As we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, so we are going to multiply it with 100 centimeters, so it will become 100 centimeter. Now we will add these 60 centimeter here, so this will become 160 centimeter. Now it is okay. Now we are going to solve our problem. It has become 160 centimeter and 40 cm. We have to find out third proportional to 160 centimeter and 40 centimeter. As we have done earlier, we will assume that let third proportional to 160 and 40 be equal to x. Therefore we are going to set it here 160 ratio 40 proportion 40 ratio x. Now product of extremes, product of means 160 multiplied x equal to 40 ratio 40. So x would be 40 into 40 upon 160. 40 1 ja 44 ja 160. This is going to cut down here, divided here. So our answer would be 10 centimeter. Right, students? Now this was your part 4 of question first. Part 5 and 6 are easy, you can do yourself. Right, now I am going to solve question number 7. So what is question number 7 is, show that 636 to 16 are in continued proportion. Right, so for this we have to make it to show that 6 ratio 36 proportion 36 ratio 216. Right, if product of extremes is equal to product of means, then our ratios are in proportion, given ratios are in proportion. Therefore product of extremes 6 multiplied 216 is equal to 36 multiplied 6. So 16 6 ja 96, 6 2 ja 12. Here also if we multiplied it by shortcut method, 6 6 ja 36, 6 3 ja 18, 6 6 ja 36, 6 3 ja 18 plus 3 21, 6 6 ja 36. Here we will get 9, 3 3 ja 9 plus 3 12. So our ratio is in proportion. Its answer is okay. Right, ratios are in proportion. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is, if 8 pence cost rupees 356, what is the cost of 14 pence? So what is the, if 8 pence cost rupee 356, what is the cost of 14 pence? Right, so for this we will set number of pence here, ratio pence, proportion, cost ratio cost. Right, so here are 8 pence cost, their cost is 356, ratio 14 pence, they are have to proportion. Cost, we have to assume that cost of 14 pence is only x. So again product of extremes, therefore 8 multiplied x equal to 356 multiplied 14. x is equal to 356 multiplied 14 upon 7 2 ja 14, 4 2 ja 8, 4 8 ja 32, 4 9 ja 36. Multiply 89 by 7, 7 9 ja 63, 7 8 ja 52 plus 6 62 rupees 623. Right. So this was your question 8. Now students, we are going to start here with question number 9. That is, in your book is a uniform iron bar of length 7 meter weighs 22.4 kg. How much does the same bar of length 13 meter weigh? Now there are two things, length and weight, right? So we will set them as length ratio length and weight ratio weight, right? So what is the first length? 7 meter. What is its weight? Is 22.4 kg. Now we have to, how much does the same bar of 13 meter? Now second length is 13 meter. Here is weight is in kg, and this weight is not known to us, so we will assume at x. Therefore product of extremes, 7 multiplied x is equal to product of means 13 multiplied 22.4. Now x equal to 13 multiplied 22.4 upon this 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21, 7 2 ja. So 13 2 ja 6, 13 3 ja 39 plus 1 plus 2 41. So decimal is after one place, so we will put it here. So our answer would be, weight would be in kgs, 41.6 kg, right? You have set these units right, then your question would be okay. Now no need to panic. Now move on to question number 10. A distance of 68 km is represented on a map by 1.7 centimeter. What distance is represented by 8 centimeter on the same map? Now distance 68 kilometer, so this would be distance is similar, right? But its units are different on map and different on ground. So now we will set it as kilometer. Sorry, here centimeter is 2 times, so we will set centimeter here. Centimeter ratio centimeter, proportion kilometer, ratio kilometer, right? So given is 1.7 centimeter of what kilometer? 68 kilometer. We have to find out 8.5 centimeter. No need to write here centimeter, as it is already written over. So we will put proportion here, and right. Now in the same way, product of extremes, x multiplied 1.7 equal to product of means. So x would be 8.5 multiplied 6.8 upon 1.7. Decimal here, decimal, no need to panic. 4 ja 17, 4 ja 68. So a 5 4 ja 20, 8 4 ja 32 plus 2 340 kilo. This is our answer. Alright students, now we will move on to question number 11. So what is this? We will write solution here. A bus is running at a uniform speed. It covers a distance of 435 km in 6 hours. How much distance will it cover in 8 hours? So here also time and kilometers are given. So the thing which is given two times, we will take first hours, ratio hours, proportion kilometer, right? First 6 hours covers in 6 hour how many kilometers? 435 kilometers. Will it cover in 8 hours? 8 hours would be here, put proportion here, kilometer that are going to find, we will take them as x. So product of extremes, 6 multiplied x equal to product of means 435 multiplied 8. So x would be 435 multiplied 8 upon 6. 3 2 ja 6, 4 2 ja 8, 3 1 ja 3, 14 3 ja 40, 42, 1 remaining, 3 5 ja 50. So 145 multiplied by 4, 4 5 ja 20, 14 4 ja 56, plus 2 58 kilometer. No need to panic, this is your answer. Right students, now we will move on to last part of it, exercise 7.b. If 15 men can dig a trench 35 meter long in one day, then how many men can dig a similar trench 84 meter long in one day? So here three things are given: men, day and meters. Men, day and meters. So day is similar, we can left them one day. We have to find out work in one day can be neglected. So here we are left only men and meters. So men, ratio men, proportion meter, meter ratio meter, right? How many men? 15 men can dig trench in 35 meter long in one day. Okay, right? Now we have to in how many men can dig a similar trench. So here we have done something wrong. What done we have wrong? Because we have taken men this side, so this will confuse you. I have written it the x here, this thing is going to confuse you, right? So from escaping that, we will do it as here. So we are known with meters two times, so we will write meters here. Meter ratio meter, proportion men ratio men. So now you will easily understand. So how many meters? So 15 men. So we will write 15 men here can in 35. So how many men? How many meters now? 84 meters. Here we will put, right? Now here we will put the proportion sign here. So product of extremes, 35 multiplied x equal to 15 multiplied 84. So x would be 15 multiplied 84 upon x upon 35. Now 5 7 ja 5 3 ja 7 1 ja 12 7 ja 84. So our answer would be 36 kilometer. Sorry, meter. 36 meter. This is our answer. Right? So students, this was your exercise 7b. If you have understood it well, then please make more and more likes, shares, and get it subscribed. Get our channel subscribed by most and more of your friends. So this is all from now. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet in the next video shortly with some new thing, new exercise. Right? Till then, it's goodbye.